Hello and welcome. In this video I'll show you how to perform a Windows backup on your Asus ExpertBook. So all you need to do is to either use the Windows backup, which is the new tool used on the Windows 11, or you can just go to Control Panel and here press on System and Security, then click on File History, and in the bottom right corner you'll find Setup Backup. I have turned it on already, so I don't have it. And when you press turn on, the backup will commence, but just keep in mind that if you, as you can see, we opened the window, and now I would recommend you to have, for example, a external hard drive, like an external SSD, USB SSD, because as you can see the 27 gigabytes are not enough, at least in my opinion, to store most of people desktops. So if you enjoyed this video and consider helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.